In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order and get a refund on Kakobuy. If you've placed an order and need to stop it, the process is usually pretty straightforward, but the exact option you see can depend on the current status of the order. That's why it's important to check your order details carefully before submitting the request. First, go to the Kakobuy website and log into your account. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you've placed multiple orders before. Once you're in, head over to My Orders, or you can also open the User Center and then go to Orders. Both paths should bring you to the section where you can view your purchase history and manage active orders. Now find the specific order that you want to cancel. Take a moment to double check the item and order status so you don't cancel the wrong purchase by accident. This is especially helpful if you've ordered similar products or placed several orders close together. When you locate the order, look for either the Cancel Order button or the Apply for Refund button. The option available will depend on where the order is in the fulfillment process. For example, if the item hasn't been processed yet, you may see Cancel Order. If it has already moved further along, you may instead need to choose Apply for Refund. After that, select a reason for the cancellation. Kakobuy will usually give you a few common choices such as ordering by mistake, choosing the wrong size, or simply changing your mind. Pick the reason that best matches your situation. Being accurate here can help make the review process smoother. Next, confirm the cancellation request. Before submitting, it's a good idea to quickly review everything one last time so you know you're sending the request for the correct order. Once the request has been submitted, you'll need to wait for Kakobuy, and in some cases the seller as well, to process it. Approval times can vary depending on the order stage, so don't worry if it isn't instant. After the request is approved, the refunded amount is usually credited to your Kakobuy wallet balance first. From there, depending on the type of refund and the platform's options, you may be able to withdraw the funds back to your original payment method. And that's how to cancel an order and request a refund on Kakobuy. If you follow these steps carefully and act as early as possible, the process is usually much easier.